And welcome to our first video. We're gonna do a Nerf war. Okay, where are all the Nerf guns? I guess my cousin's gonna be using my gun. Here's the bullet, Tamir. Okay.
Hey, there's all different types of floor.
Okay, go find your hiding spot. I mean your starting spot. Tamir thought we're gonna do teams. There's no one else to play except my cousins. Okay, so we're gonna play starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, guys, we're gonna stay here. See my cousin? You can see him sneaking up there. Okay, guys, here's my cousin. He missed. Oh, you're dead. Yeah, I won the first one. Haha.
Number 2, pick your bases.
Alright, guys, we're supposed to pick our bases. Let me just load my gun real quick. 3, 2, 1, go.
Grade school and high school.
Oh, I died. I got hit.